Hello everyone. So recently we have found out quite a lot Mrs. users have installed Ronin wallet extension on the Mrs. browser. So today's video tutorial is going to be about Ronin wallet. First step, search for the name of Ronin wallet extension in the Mrs. search. Then please click the button of Ronin wallet. Then choose download. Then we will start to download the CRX format of Ronin wallet automatically for you. Please open wallet setting and install the CRX format of Ronin wallet manually to your Mrs. browser. All set. Right now we can enter Ronin wallet right now. And get started. And let's choose create new wallet and create with recovery phrases. And this step, please set up your password. This is for unlocking your Ronin wallet. And then review the recovery phrase and whether you want to copy to clipboard or write down in the paper. Please keep it safe. Next step, we need to verify our state recovery phrase. All set. Right now let's re-enter Ronin extension and we will need to use the password to unlock our Ronin wallet to use its features. Okay, so let's skip this part first. So the basic features: first swap, second bridge, third deposit, and the last one is sent. Right now let's try swap feature inside the Ronin wallet. As you can see, very easy, simple to use. And let's re-enter Ronin wallet and choose bridge feature. Inside the bridge, you can bridge your Ronin wallet to other blockchains and other ecosystem. And next step, let's check out this part, the Quest platform built inside Ronin wallet, because everyone knows how to deposit and send funds, right? So let's go to this Ronin bounty. So in this part, you can finish the quests to earn some rewards. And we get a filter to help you to fill the quests which meets your criteria. We can also check in to earn some daily reward as well. Okay everyone, so here's the video tutorial of Ronin wallet. Have a nice day and enjoy the ecosystem. Bye bye.